Attention, newly graduated students, especially for human resource or hotel management graduate. This month of May, there are people who are conducting job recruitment and job interviews under the guise of Cebu Pacific. They are making their applicants, women, especially women, to undress and be naked in front of the job interviewers. These are not legitimate Cebu Pacific job recruiting events. These are human traffickers. Repeat, human traffickers. Be aware. When you want to get a job, go to the company's website on their careers page so you will know that you are going into a job interview which is sponsored by the company. Beware.